This is Yvette from ShortPoint. The ShortPoint team is always ready to provide you with whatever you need to be successful in building the best intranet for your organization. We have people and resources available at all times to assist you. In this video, you will learn how to request a demo of the product and its features, how to search for step-by-step resources on what you want to accomplish, and how to find support when you encounter an issue. As you begin using ShortPoint to design your intranet, you may have questions that are best answered by an expert. Perhaps you want to learn more about specific applications of ShortPoint features, or your intranet requirements may be more advanced than what you see in our examples. Alternatively, you may simply want someone to guide you as you navigate the product. When you need to request a demo of the product and its features, you can go to the Action toolbar and click the Help Center button. Here, you will find several resources and options that will help you get all the assistance you need. To schedule a demo, click on the Onboarding Meeting option. Select a date when you will be available and then choose the most convenient time for you. Complete the scheduling form with your information and include any additional information or specific requirements you may have for the meeting. You can also add the email addresses of your coworkers whom you want to join you in the session. Click the Schedule Event button when you are done. Your session is now confirmed. You will receive an email with all the details you need to join the meeting. ShortPoint also offers a vast library of support content that you can access quickly. In the Help Center, click on the Knowledge Base button. Here, you will find several articles that provide all the information you need to learn more about a ShortPoint feature or achieve your goal. The ShortPoint knowledge base is divided into different categories that cover various topics, ranging from basic how-to articles and FAQs to advanced solutions that provide custom codes. You can select the category that is most relevant to your needs from the list, or enter keywords into the search field to return a list of resources that you can explore. If you're not currently editing your intranet and you want to access the knowledge base, you can visit our website and click the Resources menu link. Alternatively, you can enter support.shortpoint.com directly into your browser. If you encounter specific concerns that require assistance, our customer support experts are ready to help. You can submit a support ticket by going to the Help Center and clicking the Get Support button. This will take you to a new ticket form where you will enter the required information and a detailed description of your inquiry or issue. To minimize back and forth communication with our support team, ensure that you provide as much detail as possible and attach screenshots or recordings of the concern if applicable. Once you are done, click the Submit button. You will receive an email confirming that your ticket has been received. The email will contain your ticket number and a link that you can use to check the status of your ticket. If you want to add more information to your ticket, you can click Add a Note and it will be attached to your ticket. You can access the ticket submission site in two other places. On our website, under the Resources menu, click Get Support. On our support site, you can find a Submit a Ticket button. Another quick way to contact our customer support experts is through the chat option on our support site. Simply open the chat widget, select the type of support you need, and start the conversation. Finally, if you need expert designers to build your intranet according to your requirements using ShortPoint, you can book a meeting with our professional services team. They will be glad to assist you. We have covered the various ways you can connect with us. We hope you have a great time learning more about ShortPoint, its features, and how it can help you build your intranet. Thank you for watching.